Okay, I'm going to help you. Okay, open the egg. Open. Bismillah.
My hand.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Remove the shell. Remove the other one. Dump it here. Good. Okay. Put the sugar. No, you have to use the spoon. Add some more sugar. Some more. Another one. It's okay. So mix. A hankali. Mix. Keep mixing. Mix. Mix it. Not now. Pick your milk. Pick the milk. No, that's milk. Pour it inside. Good job. All of it. Good job. So mix. A hankali, Ilham. A hankali. Your flavor. What flavor is that? Pineapple? Okay, mix. Yes, mix it. Your flour and put the flour inside. Good, but put the flour bit by bit. So mix it. It's okay. Don't mix it. Mix. Chef Ilham. Ooh. Mix. Pick it up. Put it on the skillet. Good job. It's okay. Move it back. Okay, you allow it to fry first before you put the next one.
Mama, Daddy.
No, it's not done yet.
Not done yet.
Chef. I can't hear you.
Yeah, I can't Spanish bread. Did you buy it?
Yes, I bought it for you. So, okay, remove the pancake from the fire. So, remove it. Then you put it in your SpongeBob plate. Do you want Mama to help you? Put it in your SpongeBob plate. Good job. So it's okay now. You have to eat gently. I know you like pancake, but you have to eat gently, Ilham. You don't have to fill your mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, the pancake and the chef. See, kalla zufan's chef then Allah. Oh my goodness, chef ya ƙone. Sorry.